scouting securing 81% school aggregate, the top 3 positions of MP and Chhattisgarh was secured by the Sanskar Valley School. Ladies and gentlemen, the teachers and the students of the school, they deserve a big hand at this moment. Thank you very much for your support. That's not all. The way it has been organized, I compliment my teachers of Aadhar, headed by Mrs. Neetu Singh, for taking out the best from each and every children. At the same time, parents sitting in front of me, my compliments and regards to all of you for entrusting us with that responsibility. You have handed over the sapling to us. Definitely, we'll return it to you when it will grow bigger and bigger with fruits and flowers all over. We'll add many attributes to your child, each and individual child, whatever you have handed over to us. There is something in Sanskar education, and I will just tell you a small story which I received just few days back from one of my good wishers. A man was walking on a shaking bridge. It was very difficult for him to cross that bridge, and he was praying for help from the God. And at that moment, he saw God on the other side of the bridge. So he requested him, why don't you please come on this side and help me to cross the bridge. But the God didn't come. With a great difficulty, the man somehow crossed the bridge, and he was extremely angry, very angry on God, standing there. You are waiting and you are watching me, but didn't come forward to help me. And when he reached to the other side, he found the God was holding the broken bridge. We are not gods here, but we are here to support your children. We are not here to spoon feed your children, but we'll support them, we'll grow them for a bigger life of this century. Thank you very much. May I invite Mrs. Neetu Singh, Head of Aadhar.
Parents, on behalf of the management, teachers and students of the Sanskar Valley School, I extend a very warm welcome to one and all. As you all know, this time of the year is special for all of us. For teachers, because they prepare the children to put up an excellent show for you. For students, because they're very, very excited to showcase their talent in front of you. And I often hear a few children asking, ma'am, will our parents come and witness this show as well? So they're all very, very excited, and they say we are not going to tell our parents what are we going to do, but we'll give them a surprise. It's special for you as well because you are going to witness the show. I'm sure you are also eagerly waiting and excited to see your little darlings on stage. Most of you are familiar with the culture at Aadhar. Everything that happens here revolves around the child. Child is the center of everything. You must have also noticed that even for something like lighting the lamp, we ensure we get it done through the children, because here we believe everything is for the child. At Aadhar, it's always been an endeavor to train children in each and every facet of life, whether it's learning, playing, confidence building, or even participation in activities and events. All this is planned keeping the child in mind. In all our meetings and training sessions, and whether it's from morning or whether our assemblies as well, a question often asked amongst the teachers is, what is the learning outcome for a child? Is the child going to benefit? Will he learn something out of it? And that is how each and everything is planned. We don't want to do anything really which a child can't relate to. It's going to be very, very irrelevant for them. So everything is planned keeping our little ones in mind. We want our children to have a well-rounded personality, and occasions like this really help us to achieve this. So as you all know, Aadhar is Aadhaar only because of its children. Parents, I would also like to share with you, like as I said, even this year when I mentioned that, everything that we do keeping the children in mind, even this year when we thought that we will do ocean as a theme, the teachers decided that, let's pick up a theme, and we thought we'll do oceans. So along with this, there was a lot of learning that happened. The children knew why we are doing this. They know the ocean life completely now. They know about the sea life, about the treasures, pirates, everything related to sea life, they're completely thorough with now. So that is why these occasions are really, really important for children. So on one side, when they were polishing their skills on music, dance, art, drama, whatever is their forte, on the other side, there was a lot of learning also that happened along with it. At Aadhaar, even in fact in the entire Sanskar Valley School, we also ensure that there is 100% participation. There is no pick and choose that, okay, this child is good at speaking, so we'll take him and not the other one. There is 100% participation in this program. We have about 256 children in Aadhaar, and all of them are on stage today. To give you an all-school perspective, we have really grown. In 2006, we started with 284 children and 32 staff. We started with only 284 children. In 2007, the strength was 692 students and 80 staff members. 2008, the numbers grew to 812 students and 82 staff. Last year, it was 984 students and 87 staff. And today, we are at very, very close to 1,200 students and 110 staff members. So we are a growing school, but we still very, very strongly believe in our ideologies. Even the boarding front, we have a huge number in boarding school today. Boys boarding is completely full up. Girls boarding, the girls are they really feel at home in the boarding school. As far as the staff, there is about 28 families who are on campus today, including a full-time resident nurse. The school has achieved a lot of success in a lot of other areas as well. We won invitational quiz at Delhi College competition against top schools like Doon, Delhi College, Scindia, Mayo. One of our students, Nishank Priya Jain, struck the winning goal to make India win the gold medal on the international platform in roll ball competition in Hong Kong. And of course, the feather in the cap was our class 10th board result, which Dr. Saha just shared with you. So the school is really going very, very well. At this point, I would also like to share an annual school Aadhaar report with you, where I will quickly take you through what are the events and activities that have taken place in Aadhaar through this session. Can I have the AV, please? So Aadhaar, you all know, for a student is a home away from home. Children came to us on 1st of April, the first day of school. Some of them were happy, a few crybabies as well. So children getting down from the bus, excited, scared, nervous. Some really had to be made comfortable. If they were crying, we ensured that they were happy in school. Sandpit is a time that they all really, really look forward to. And every day they spend about 15 minutes on the sandpit, as it really helps them to improve their fine motor skill as well. Swings, the best area they find. They love to go to the swing. So every day the teacher has to ensure it is used and incentive that, okay, if we do this well, we get swing time. And this little cute baby was very, very sleepy on the first day. So we really had to put him to a little rest. He was really sleeping in the class. So that is how, each day there are new emotions. Events and activities of school. As you all know, we conduct a lot of, weeks and activities. We did handwriting week, table manners, manners and etiquettes, art painting, something to do with sports. India Week was a great success this year. So twice in a month we plan that there is something apart from academics that we can give to the kids. So you can see some children, practicing handwriting. In Manners and Etiquette Week, they had made a garden of manners, where each class had created their own garden. Table manners was ensured that, the kids really take that on as well. during the Health, Hygiene and Fitness Week, they had one week yoga sessions every day. Children love to dress up. You know, dress up days are very, very special for them. And this week, we generally try and do a dress up day related to their EVS topic. So they were dressed as healthy food and unhealthy food. And then there was a tug of war between the healthy food and the unhealthy food. And we really had to manipulate that a little bit because we couldn't have let unhealthy food win. So that we had to manipulate a bit. So the children were dressed up as rainy season, insects, sea life, everything. Celebrations is another time that, you know, children love to celebrate different activities, and we ensure we celebrate everything in school. This year, India Week was done in a very, very different manner, where each class was given a state. They had to represent their own state. So, like me, one had become Punjab, Nirman had become some. Each class was given a state, and they were supposed to represent it. So they decorated their class. They become the chief ministers of the state, famous personalities, monuments, food, dance, drama, culture. So you could have an all-India feel in Aadhaar. So NEEV 1 was Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, you can see there. NEEV 2 we had Maharashtra, we had Tamil Nadu and Bengal. Nirman, again, there was Rajasthan. In Nirman, 3 classes were doing different things. And since we wanted to do Jammu Kashmir, so activity teachers had taken up the charge, and the computer room was converted into the Jammu Kashmir block. So that was the celebrations that we did. Apart from that, Teachers' Day, again we do it a little differently. We want the parents also to become teachers for some time. So we had invited a few parents in each class to come and be in our shoes for a day. So 3 parents from each class were invited, and they had become teachers for a day. And the kids and parents, both of them really enjoyed. Janmashtami, again, we had beautiful little Radhas and Krishnas in school, and we did a very, very interesting Matki Photo competition between the driver bhaiyas and the cleaner bhaiyas of the school. Eid was celebrated in full fervor. Baisakhi, no festival is left behind. Coming on to our assemblies. Assemblies play a very, very important role in Aadhaar. Each assembly has to be put up on a theme, and the participation is on rotation. We keep a track that if these 10 kids have performed in the first assembly, the class teacher ensures that the next assembly she will take new children. So that each child is given an opportunity to come up, speak and build confidence. Each teacher sometimes chooses an EVS topic or a class topic. So you can see some kids, becoming fairies. And then we also do a lot of social initiatives like Save Trees, where children had put a beautiful assembly on how little children can also save trees. Food pyramid, do's and don'ts of rainy season, that what do they do? Save Tiger was also done at Aadhaar. Children were very, very interested, keen, that they had come out with facts, that how can little children also contribute in that. As you all know, Unity in Diversity was again conducted through the India Week. Grandparents' Day, the children really made interesting cards and showcased an assembly on respect for elders and grandparents. This year, we had also taken up the initiative of Joy of Giving, where each day the child sometimes got books to give away, got to give away. We got Andan and Gyandan associated with Bhaskar, and we had done the Joy of Giving drive. And there are days when teachers have to conduct assemblies as well. If you want to, if there's a message that has to be given to the children, which we know that they will not understand unless told to them differently, so teachers have to then do the trick. So teachers conduct the assemblies. You can see assembly where the monkey and its tail, where the teachers are trying to put up a story. Caring for books. We want our children to have love for books, where the teachers had to portray that how can you, share with books. Good manners, sharing, Gandhi Jayanti. We did this year Gandhi Jayanti as well, where the teachers had put up an excellent assembly on Gandhi Jayanti. So that was the entire session that's gone through. There's a lot in store for the remaining session as well. I'm sure you all will agree that, all this would not have been possible without a good team. And I'm very, very fortunate to have a great set of teachers at Aadhaar. Teachers, thank you for all your support. Dear parents, with this, I come to the end of my speech. I am sure you're all eagerly waiting to see your kids on stage. The teachers and children have really worked very, very hard to put up an excellent show for you. But trust me, I also don't know what are they going to do on the final day, whether they goof up or they do it nicely. But children being children, it is just an effort. We try that each and everything that we do, right from comparing to slideshows to programs, is done by the children. So even if they goof up a little, please excuse them. So here we present to you Splash 2010. Thank you parents for being with us here. I would just like to request you, if you could please not come to block the way to take photographs. All CDs will be burned and given it to you end of the year. Can I request Athray and Kanishk to take on the slideshow? Thank you parents and enjoy the show.
Welcome my dear parents, teachers and my dear friends. Ocean life began about 4 billion years ago. Today the mysterious ocean is home to amazing creatures of every size and shape. Flying fish rays that make enough electricity to light a bulb, and squids that shoot out black ink. Amazing facts about the ocean creatures. You will journey into the underwater world and meet many of animals that call ocean home. Let's discover the fascinating underwater world without getting wet. You will find fun facts and interesting tidbits as we pore over the amazing photographs. Kanishk, have you ever heard about a fish fly? No, Athray, never. Flying fish are the most amazing creatures in the sea. When they want to escape from their enemies, they fly up. But how many times they stay in air? For 45 seconds. Have you ever heard about the fish who makes bag and to sleep in? No. The sleeping bag of the parrotfish. Parrotfish makes its own sleeping bag to sleep in. It uses mucus like spit to make a bag.